Hartman Adventures at them, man. There's fish on. Feel small, but let's see what it is. First one for the morning. Jack. Small bar jack. First one for the morning. Small bar jack. Bar jack. Mara. Yo. Yeah. Mara. First Mara. Nice one. Fish on. 12-pound leader. See what type of fish this. Live bait. Fish on. Come up. Make me can see him. I'm a shake head though. Feel him a shake head.
Don't worry, make him go on.
Don't worry, man, make him run, man. I don't even think he knows saying hook yet, you know. I don't think he knows saying hook yet. No, sir. I gotta see you now, man. Hey, you think you're reef me today? Yeah, man, you hook good.
Yeah.
Ah, some stone over the side there in a birdie.
You can't do enough one. I will be every day when I run to a field.
Watch it. Sitting decent too?
Yeah.
See him there?
I tap on.
I want to tap on him. And if I can land him on the 12-pole line. Yeah. As long as he not jump me good. 12-pound line to rotted. When he come up in my mad door, and tell me see we know. That walkie me come down here so. Fish on, guys. Only have on a really light leader. 12-pound leader. Ah. Yeah man, see? Just seen tail a while ago. 12-pound line throated. A snook, you know? Me mama. I want a snook. A snook? Yes. See him there?
Yeah man, a snook one. Nice snook too.
Yeah. Then jump to, you know.
Just look into there, man. A big snook, you know?
No, I tell you, say a good size snook, man.
Big snook.
Watch him.
Come on, you have him now, man. You have him now, man. You have him now. You have him, you have him. Come on, I'm dead already, man. Okay.
Whoa!
Yeah.
On the road.
Yeah.
Come on, don't jump off the horse.
Nice snook, that boy.
Fat snook.
Nice.
Yeah.
See, man?
Well, pretty, my boy.
See? Wait, this one, wait, man.
Man. Fish on, guys. Bora. Nice little bora. Whew. Hold on, man. Hold on. Now you flash this thing in a man. See me here, guys. Nice little bar in about 2 pound, maybe. Pound and a half, 2 pound. Just release him back in the water. Fish on, guys. Nice fish. That was... Whoa, nice snapper. Nice mutton snapper. Guys, I was recording for the entire time and I didn't get a single hit. And as soon as I turn off the camera, this mutton snapper is about 3 pounds. Wow. Whoa! Look at him, guys. Look at him. Look at the size of this mutton snapper. Huh? Look at the size of that. Absolutely beautiful snapper. You see him? Very nice snapper this evening. See him there, guys? Bird! Nice little barra. Touch him. Remember, like me I tell you for you first one we get with. Alright, relax. Normally when you catch one barra, you usually get more than one hooks in them. See that? Usually you get more than one hook anytime you catch one barra because they try to bite across the lure. Now keep him still. One in a lip and one in a jaw corner. You fat, man. Oh, you put bait in here. No? Go on back. Nice size barra. I have a permit on. Ooh, ooh, this one is a screamer. Ooh, this one is big. Oh, it's going under mother line. This one is a runner. First permit on. This one is a good permit. Yeah. First permit on. It's been such a long time since I'm catching a permit. This is the first one for this year. Gone permit fishing a couple of times and I didn't find any. Come on. That's a nice permit. See if I can lead him. Wait for the wave. Oh, come on! Permit on, permit on! Oh! Whoa! I was just wrapping up the video, guys. Whoa, I was packing up. Whoa! I just did the outro. I just wrapped up the video. Yeah. Wait for a wave. Whoa. I'm tired. Guys, honestly, I just did the outro. I just wrapped up the video. I packed up one rod. I went to pack up the second rod. While I was reeling it up, I heard this one. I heard the line start running. Strong. This is a strong fish. He's still not tired. Whoa. Don't want to tighten down anymore on him. Whoa. Still have some fight in him, still have some fight. Don't want to tighten down too much for him. I honestly thought that I lost him when I went to get the gap, because I couldn't feel him. Couldn't feel him anymore. I couldn't feel him. I felt the line on the stone and then the line went slack. I could not feel this fish. This is a heavy fish. This is a heavy fish. Don't want to pressure him too much cause don't want the lip report. The good thing is I don't see any rocks out in front of me for him to wrap around now. Come on. That's a big boy. That's a big boy. Yeah. That's a big boy. Whoa. That's a big boy. I didn't even have to gaff him. Whoa. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see that. This one lock out at 13.3 pound. Yeah.
That didn't take long.
No, that was like 2 minutes after I said.
Holy cow. Oh, that was blue.
That was like 2 minutes, bro.
This is like a carp.
Yeah, bro.
This is what they do.
That's the permit.
Permit.
Yeah.
Woo!
Like 2 minutes.
Woo!
Look at that.
Can't stop it. Look at this. I can't stop it.
It's a big one.
I can't stop it.
Don't want too tight. That's a massive one, bro. Look at that, guys.
I can't stop it. It's not stopping.
That's a tight drag as well. That's a tight drag. You'll get tired. You'll get tired.
Slowing down a bit, right?
Yeah.
Maybe not.
That's a big permit.
Maybe not.
Holy shit.
Yeah, we run out of line.
He's gonna pop it. He's gonna pop it. He's gonna pop the leader. That's a tight drag. Spool is hot, bro.
Yeah.
That's a big permit, bro. No, no, no. Let him run. Let him run.
He was coming back.
Yeah. That's a massive permit, bro.
You literally didn't even get the other rod out yet, did you?
No, bro. I literally just put it down out of my hands. Woo! Monster permit on, guys. Monster permit. This is a big one. Woo! He's taking off again.
Yeah.
As soon as he stops, you go ahead and reel him. Yeah, bro, you're doing well. You're doing very well, bro. Yeah, bro. Pump and reel, bro. Woo! How's that feel, man?
My arms already getting there.
What did I tell you about the permits?
Amazing.
Yeah, bro.
100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100%. 100
That was literally 2 minutes ago. I just set that line. He's running again. Straighten your elbow, bro. Straighten your elbow. Straighten your elbow. Yeah. Lift him up. Yeah. Lift him up. Yep. Lift him up. Lift him up. You get in line, bro. That was a monster run. This permit is probably 20 pounds or more.
Halfway to Cuba.
Yeah? That's 200 yards of line on there. And look how much is gone. Hell yeah, guys. Woo! Look on the bend with the panda right there.
Oh! You okay?
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah, bro, you're doing well, you're doing well. Woo! That's a massive permit run. You get in line, bro. You get in line.
Catching up.
Yeah, you get in some line. You get in some line. Just keep the tension. Keep the tension. This one we're definitely gonna need the gaff.
Yeah.
I honestly didn't think he was gonna stop. I didn't think he was gonna stop, bro. You don't get this feeling in Canada, huh?
No.
Nope.
Oh,
Yeah, bro.
that is a powerful fish.
That's a powerful fish.
Very powerful.
Bro, when I'm in my videos and I'm saying these fish are strong,
He's not lying.
they are strong, bro.
Holy
They are
cow.
strong. If I can't see it, we have clear waters now and I can't see it.
No,
So it's way out. It's still way out, bro. Look all the way out there. Almost to the reef. Look where the grass is on the line.
I see the grass.
You see the grass? That's how far it is. That's way out, bro.
I'm catching up to him.
Yep, you're getting some line. Hold him up. Keep tension. Keep tension.
I see he's splashing. There he is.
Yeah. There he is. There he is. That's a big permit. That's a hell of a permit. His head is up. His head is up.
Trying to ski him.
Yeah, his head is up. Keep him. He's tired. He's gonna take off another time when he comes in. When he sees you, he's gonna take off.
Okay.
Yeah. Once he sees you, he's gonna take off again.
Woo.
Your hands are tired. That's a massive permit, bro.
Like a 40-inch muskie wouldn't fight this.
No.
Holy.
Trust me, when jacks are running, they run. What did I tell you this morning?
You told me, man.
Yeah, I told you, bro. When they hit, they hit. When they are hitting, they hit, bro. I can see him. I can see his side, but he's still far away out.
He's big.
He's big, very big. That's a tight drag, you know? That drag is really tight. He's coming, he's coming. He's gonna take off another time when he sees us.
I don't want him to.
That's a massive permit. This is gonna be the record for my channel.
Really?
This is gonna be the record. I can guarantee you that this is the record fish for my channel. I've never caught a permit this big.
Should I move down there a bit?
Yeah, you can come down here. Keep tension, keep tension, keep tension. He's still out. I can see him.
Yep.
He's about 100 yards out. No, he's about 50 yards out.
He's getting there.
I see him. You're tired.
I am too.
Yeah, his head is up. His head is up. What did I tell you about permits, bro?
Holy. Woo! Welcome to Jamaica.
Yes, bro. Keep tension, keep tension. There he is, he's going across. I told you we were gonna catch a freight train, bro. Did I tell you? I told you we were gonna catch a freight train. I told you it's a freight train of the sea, bro.
Freight train of the sea.
Yeah.
I guess.
Look at it. It's floating now, guys. It's floating. Just keep some tension on the line. Keep some tension. He's taking off again. Let him run. Let him run. Let him run. He's coming in. Just keep the tension.
Really just work him down, eh?
Yeah, once he's tired, but he still has some energy. When he sees us, he's gonna take off again.
Go. Get the gun out.
This is gonna be a record fish for this channel, I'm telling you. And that wasn't even 2 minutes after I set the bait.
Oh, you were going back to
I was walking back to get the other rod and then it went. Where is he? Where is he?
over there?
Now stay where you are. We're bringing him right here. Just keep some tension.
He's on the rocks over there.
Where? Come, come, come.
Wait, he's coming. See him?
Yeah, I see him, I see him. Come this way. Come right here, come right here. Keep the tension, keep the tension. There he is.
Holy, look at the
Look at the size of that, bro.
Look at the size of him.
Look at the size of that. Wow. That's a monster.
That's a big fish.
That's a big fish. You eating kermit tonight?
Holy.
He's gonna try to take off again. Let him take off.
Okay.
Bring him in. I'll gaff him.
He's slowly swimming towards you there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bring him up some more. Bring him up some more. Holy shit, he straightened the hook.
No, he didn't. Holy
He
cow.
straightened my gaff, bro.
He's that big.
Yeah, he straightened my gaff. Bring him up again. The gaff is straightened, bro. Look at that. Where is he? He straightened my gaff, bro.
Big fish.
Big fish. That's a monster.
Get tail grab him.
I can't. He's too powerful. I can't. He's tired though. He's tired. Bring him up. He's tired.
Still feeling a bit.
Come up again. You tired yet?
I am.
That's about 20 minutes now.
Woo.
Look at the shine, bro.
It's beautiful.
Shine. Look at that.
Beautiful.
That's massive. Alright, bring him up again. I'll go back to this side. I'll try to gaff his head this time. He's turning back. Look at the tail on that, bro.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Look at how big he is, man.
Come, bring him this way. Bring him this way. There he is. He's seeing me. He's tired.
There you go. Get him. Yeah!
Look at that, bro.
Yeah!
Look at that.
Holy!
Give me some of that.
Yeah!
Look at that, bro.
Right, man. Woo!
Look at that. You can't lift that up.
I bet you I can. Holy cow.
Look at that. Oh, look at the size of that. Jeez.
Where are we at?
31. He hasn't stopped as yet. I think he's gonna be 31 though.
I'm going 31.
Yeah, too heavy. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.